Hello guys, good morning. So today is Saturday. Pero schedule na yung ating hypermesh testing. So ipa-function test natin ang ating hypermesh system. So ang hypermesh system guys ay isang local firefighting system. Ang kanyang firefighting medium is fresh water. At kaya tinawag siya na local firefighting system ay dahil sa engine room lang siya. So may designated area lang siya dito sa engine room na nakabit yung mga nozzle niya. Like main engine, generator 1 to 3, auxiliary boiler, incinerator, at purifier. So for today's testing guys, we will test the purifier area by manual activation through push button and automatic activation through fire detectors, flame and smoke detectors using appropriate tester. During manual activation by push button guys, don't forget to press the system stop to stop the spraying of water. To see the actual testing, please watch the video. Put container on the nozzle to be tested to avoid freshwater flooding on the area. Select the area to be tested. For this testing, we select a purifier area. Push the green push button. Alarm sounded and fresh water coming out from the nozzle. To avoid the usage of too much fresh water during a manual push button, stop it by pushing the system stop. Ventilation automatically stop during the test activation of hypermesh. Next method is by flame detector and smoke detector. Just conduct a testing guys on a smoke and a flame detector at the same time and wait for the two detectors to activate. When activated, alarm will sound. Then after a while, after the detector sense that there's no fire and smoke on the area, it will automatically stop. That's the testing of the hypermesh local firefighting system. Next testing guys is the shut off valve on main engine and diesel generator. To maintain safety and avoid airbound, test only the generator which are not running. Since generator number 1 is running, we'll test only number 2 and 3. Open this valve to allow the air to close the valve. To reset, the air must be released. Close this valve to release the air to allow the reset of shut-off valve. Do not forget to return to the original position of the valve that is tested. Original position which are normally open or normally closed. So do not forget. Sa shut-off system na to guys, meron lamang 4 na valvula. Sa main engine at saka sa diesel generator natin. So next testing is magpuproceed tayo sa quick closing valves ng mga tanks. So for this shut-off system, meron lamang 4 na valvula. At 4 na machineries lamang yung meron, ang main engine at ang diesel generator. Ang sunod naman na iti-testing ay ang quick closing valves. Ang pagkakaiba nito guys sa tinesting natin kanina is ang testing na to ay para sa mga tangke. So kung kanina ay para sa mga main machineries natin like main engine and auxiliary generator, so ito naman ay sa mga suction ng tangke. So pwede nyo i-check yan guys sa listahan ng diagram sa shut-off system. So isang valvula lang to sa main control guys, pero napakaraming valvula ang magsasarado nito sa engine room. So mas magandang mag toolbox meeting bago mag-perform ng testing na to. At mas maganda guys kung may record kayo ng mga normally open at mga normally closed na valvula para pag reset hindi magkalituhan. at mag-designate ng tao sa mga valvula na need to be attended first, like service tank and settling tank at DO supply for auxiliary boiler and diesel generator. At ang pag-reset ng mga valvula na ito guys ay same procedure lang sa mga naunang tinesting natin sa shut-off valve. So ayun na nga guys, maraming salamat sa panonood at sana may natutunan na naman tayo sa videong ito. At ito si Seaman the Faithful na laging nagdadasal na sana maayos lagi ang buhay ng mga marino dahil wala akong ibang alam na propesyon sa buong mundo na may grabing sakripisyo para lamang sa kapakanan ng ating pamilya at ang kinabukasan nila. Maraming salamat. Stay safe and focus.